Hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my Eyeshadow project pan update for the month. Unfortunately, this month was not that exciting because I got some new eyeshadow palettes that I've been playing with for the holiday season, and I've just enjoyed those. But let's get into it anyway, starting with the ColourPop Soul palette. I am panning the shade B&B, and I use this 7 times this month, which means that I only have 12 uses left, which means I could possibly finish it by next update. I might make it a point to go ahead and do so, but we're gonna see where we are at. So yeah, for my e.l.f. Acai You palette, I am panning the 3rd shade in, and unfortunately I did not use it at all, which means I still have 22 uses left until I can roll it out. I think it's possible that I do it at the end of the year, but I think it could take until February. I do not refresh every year. I have just been rolling them out as I hit 50 uses or hit pan, and I've just been enjoying it that way until I feel like I want to refresh, which I am not there yet. And then the eyeshadow palette that I rolled in 2 updates ago from the Nabla Read My Mind palette. I am panning the 1st shade, and I only used it once this month, which means I have 44 uses left. Now, I did roll out my gold shade for my normal project pan, which will free me up to use this a little bit more. I know this shade was really close to that one, so I think that now that that is rolled out, this one will get more uses out. And finally, from the 2 eyeshadows that I rolled in last month from the ColourPop and Lizzie McGuire palette, I am panning both the shades Dear Diary, which I only used 3 times this month, which means I have 47 uses left until I can roll it out, and Cutie, which I used 4 times this month, which means I have 46 uses left until I can roll it out. So I've got a ways to go on this, but they are pretty colors. I am wearing the green shade on my inner corner today. I do love them for a pop of color on the inner corner, and then if I'm in the mood for it, I'll put it all over the lid. But that's been my favorite way to wear both of these shades, and actually the shade from this palette too. Anyway, it was a very short update, a very quick update. Maybe next month I'll have a rollout. I anticipate that I will, but we'll just have to see. I know the progress on this particular shadow has been very slow. This has been in for over a year now, so we will see. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. If that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.